Hi aspirants, welcome to your single minute channel. Before moving to next slide, we are going to see the simple intro about this session. Totally we are going to learn 10 important days and their related infos. Okay, let's get into our session. Static GK Day 5. Important days March month. March 1. What day? Zero Discrimination Day. The day is celebrated by UN and other international organizations to promote equality before law. Again, March 1st, World Civil Defense Day. Related info, it was celebrated since 1990. Again, March 3, World Wildlife Day. Related info, to create awareness about wild animals and plants. Next, March 3, World Hearing Day. It was called as International Ear Care Day before 2016. March 8, International Women's Day. Infos to recall and show respect for the cultural, political and socio-economic achievements of women. Now just recap of first 5 important days what we learned till now. I repeat, just a recap of first 5 important days what we learned till now. March 1st, Zero Discrimination Day. Again, March 1st, World Civil Defense Day. March 3rd, World Wildlife Day and World Hearing Day. And March 8, International Women's Day. Next, March 10, CISF Rising Day. Infos, CISF means Central Industry Security Force, which comes under Ministry of Home Affairs. Again, March 10, No Smoking Day. Related info, every year second Wednesday in March this day was celebrated. 2021 March 10, in 2022 March 9th, in 2023 March 8, March 14. What day? Pi Day. Related info, pi equal to 3.14. Hence celebrating 3, which means month, 1/4 date every year due to its significant digits 314. Next, again March 14, International Day of Action for Rivers. Infos to create awareness about the importance of rivers. Next, March 15, what day? World Consumer Rights Day. Infos to create awareness globally about consumer rights and needs. Now just a recap of last 5 important days what we learned till now. I repeat, just a recap of last 5 important days what we learned till now. March 10, CISF Rising Day and No Smoking Day. March 14, Pi Day and International Day of Action for Rivers. March 15, World Consumer Rights Day. Now we learn totally 10 important days and their infos. It's time to practice. How? There are 3 ways. Just click the link in the description. I repeat again, just click the link in the description. I repeat once again, just click the link in the description or type usingleminute.blogspot.com followed by click practice set 5. or just type https://u/ps05. Alright aspirants, let's do the practice what we learned. For instance, I do my practice. Please do subscribe the channel for further updates or notification related to static checking. Thank you.